Hi everybody, Patrick over here at Petrie Ford. Today I've got something interesting, a bit of a custom build. This is a 2019 Ford F-150 Platinum. It has a few extra touches on it. The customer's picking it up tonight. I want to give you a quick tour of this beast before we let it off into the wild. As you can tell, there's probably a few things that are sticking out to you. For those that are as anal as I am about attention to details, yes, the hood is up a little bit. I'll show you what's going on in there in just a second. And we've got a few things going on around us right now, so just bear with me while we have some people walking around. But right off the bat, I mean, you can tell that we have a 2-inch leveling kit going on here. So we have the Fox Performance coilover system. We have the Mickey Thompson ROUSH ATX rim and tire combination with the ATX BAJA tires from Mickey Thompson. These are the same rims that they use on, if I can, oh, well, here we go. ROUSH truck right beside us. Same rims. ROUSH has gone with general grabbers for the 2019 model year. 2018 model year, they went with the Mickey Thompson ATZs. I think it was a cost change speculation. However, we're talking about this truck, not the ROUSH truck. ATX, BAJA ATX tires are very well rated. Awesome tires for off-roading. Look very mean on the road, very streetable, low road noise. Very nice tires to use on the road for that off-road look. And if you do go off-road, they're actually very functional. You'll notice the lack of running boards, but they're power deployable because it's a Platinum. So they're down here, so when we open the door, the digital concierge says you get a running board. Of course, in the winter when you're in Canada, you either want to leave those, well, you probably want to leave it up, so there is an option to leave them up. And of course, you can have them left down at times too. But yeah, wintertime, motors, those things, ice and snow, not a good idea. The vehicle is equipped with a ROUSH catback exhaust, active exhaust. I'll show you the switches inside, very cool. I'm not gonna start the car because the customers are gonna show up any minute and I don't wanna look like I'm playing with the vehicle at all. As we see here, nice flush tunnel cover. The Platinum tailgate plate, that's iconic with the model. Polished up real nice, and of course this vehicle has a million options. I'm not going through the options, I'm kind of going through the aftermarket stuff right now. The vehicle was tinted, so the front windows are tinted, the rear windows were left stock. They might actually, those might have been, no, you know what, those are darkened a little bit more than stock. And of course we've got our vent visors for the windows as well. I'm saving the engine till last. On the inside, this is just your regular stock Platinum interior, but of course we start with the Platinum illuminated sill plate. Nice Platinum badged carpets. Premium leather with ventilation and heat, of course. Platinum badged leather seating. Fancy pants, multi-panel power Vista roof. Of course, your infotainment system. The seats come with massagers in them. Oh geez, there's a million options. Going through a Platinum in itself and all the features and options, that's a video in itself, so please stay tuned. That will be coming up. Rear seats, lots of room. And I'm just gonna go in here so I can show you guys the button really easily, but if you see here, see that red button? That's not stock, that is aftermarket. So, when you start the car, this has the V8 engine in it. So the 5-liter V8 Coyote engine. In the on position, actually, we should leave it off so the customer can hear the quietness to start and then surprise them with the rumble. So, when this is off, the electronic baffles inside the exhaust systems are activated. Baffles basically make the mufflers work a little bit better. They pipe the sound through the traditional channels of your exhaust system and gives you that, you know, the quiet rumble that every stock truck has. So when you open the baffles turn the opposite way, air flows in a different way. It makes a very loud, awesome performance rumble, and the performance that goes along with the additional airflow with your exhaust system. So when you're in your neighborhood or if you're leaving for work in the morning, That's don't annoy your neighbors. And then you get out to the open road, maybe on the highway, maybe downtown, maybe in a place where you know that there's people that you want to wake up. Boom, you're on. Nice loud exhaust. Pretty neat stuff. That's all hidden away. All right, let's go do the exciting part here. Let's see if I can one-hand this hood here right now. All right, here we go. One hand. There we go. Okay, so, oh, that looks like a bit of an intake. So yes, they put an aftermarket intake on this, as well as 650 horsepower. So that is the ROUSH Supercharger package. Goes on the 5-liter V8 engines. When equipped, it is good for 650 horsepower. And of course we have the hood deflector on the hood as well. So there we have it. 2019 Ford F-150 Platinum Supercharged 650 horsepower with a 2-inch Fox Performance 2.0 leveling kit, Mickey Thompson ROUSH ATX rim and tire combination, ROUSH Performance active exhaust system, and a few nice Ford accessories. Everything's available in our handy parts department. We are what ROUSH would consider a master dealer. That is the highest level of I guess, what we say, sales as far as parts go. Not just for vehicle sales, but this is more primarily for parts. So when we're a master dealer, that means we get the best pricing on parts, which means that savings is passed on to you. So you're not getting it from a third party who got it from somebody else. We get it directly from ROUSH, and we price it accordingly. Try us out. Our Supercharger kits, we've been putting more and more Supercharger kits on vehicles these days, obviously since we've got our ROUSH franchise. And from what we understand, we have met some people who have had their vehicles supercharged before we had our ROUSH franchise at thousands of dollars more than what we can do it for. And of course we have ROUSH trained technicians to make sure that your vehicles can get, if it's an F-150, get the full 650 horsepower, and if it's a Mustang, like this Stage 3 inside the showroom that I will do a video on soon, get the full 710 horsepower. We know how to tune these things. We have a few experts that only work on these things all day long, and they would like to do your car too. All right, folks, thank you very much for tuning in. Stay tuned for more videos of custom trucks, Mustangs, and other neato cars that we're putting out here at Petrie Ford. Have a great day.